Oh, may I have your hand in my marriage? Yes. Oh, come here. I'll show you what I'll give you. Give her the magical treatment. Oh, yes. Look at there. A baby. Yes. Oh, this is all gonna be yours if you marry me. Oh, yes. Oh, come here. I, the king, shall now. Oh, my goodness.
I'm here to ruin your party.
Oh, don't
you
ruin
big, but
our
no,
party.
I have cursed you.
I'll slay
darn
you.
you.
Where you go? Oh, fire. Oh, I hold you.
No, I don't have nothing to worry about. I'm sure everything will be fine. Okay, time for bed. Thank you. Well, thank you very much. Good night, y'all.
You thought he can get rid of me? No, I will come and get you. Yes, you hear me, my sweet? I will take you with me. Oh, I got you now. Now, get her and take her away. See what I'm doing? Come on. Oh, you will face the wrath of me. Oh, take her away. Take her away. See what I'm doing? Okay, let's go. On our way now. Go!
Oh, stop now, you foul bean. Oh, I slay you. Oh, where do you go? Oh, I'll get you. Oh, where do you go? I'm coming, my love.
Oh, someone have kidnapped our daughter. We must go get him. Come on, everybody, let's go. Go, 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 go. Oh, no.
Oh, you foul bean. Where do you take
got
her?
you.
Tell me
Hey,
or
don't.
I'll slay
I
you.
am this little feeble old man.
Don't fool me, you. Tell me.
But listen closely.
Oh,
This is where your sweetheart's kept.
it's her.
You're
Let go of her. No.
No,
No.
stay.
No, don't let
She's
me. I want to help her. No.
No, you cannot. No,
Let go.
you stay.
Let go.
See?
Come
no,
here.
come back.
Come here. Oh, what happened? Where did they go? Oh, I'll stop this. I'll slay you.
No, you're gonna stay
Oh,
here.
let me go. Let me go. Oh, let me go. Oh, get me out of this. Ah. Oh, you. Oh, thank you so much for releasing me. You must help me. Oh, thank you. Oh, shall I call you? Oh, thank you. Thank you. You're such an angel. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Mwah. Oh, I want to save my princess. Oh. Off I go. Thank you very much, Miss Angel. Oh, off to war.
Make the sea rough and hard. Make the boat sink with lard.
At the bottom of the sea, thank you so much for waking us up. Come on, let's go get the princess at the bottom of the sea. Shellfish, keep on going. Get it up, we can get princess. Oh, come on, let's go.
Yes, let them in my suite. Hello there, knights and prince. Yes, you all will go get the princess, and I will help you. I'll give you a ride on one of our taxi wheels. Here he comes now. You can catch a ride, but remember, I ain't paying the fares. You gotta do that with your own money. Good day, goodbye. Good luck saving your princess. Goodbye. I am King Nectar, the king of the ocean.
That was delicious. See you, Neptune. Thank you, taxi wheel. Thank you for taking us to our destination. Goodbye, goodbye. Thank you, taxi wheel. Oh, look, it's the castle. We must go save the princess. Come on, men. Let's go. Oh, it's the fairy or angel, I don't know. Oh, you gonna help us? Lead the way? Okay, let's go. This way, this way. Come on, come on. Oh, save the princess.
Oh, he got here. Oh, I gotta stop him. No, don't go in.
Oh, look, it's the castle, the castle. We're almost there. Come on, man. Come on, come on. Oh, he's stuck in the tunnel. Okay, I'm gonna dive off of this building here. Here I go. Woo!
No, you can't. No, not you.
Oh, here I come, my love. I'm coming to save you. Oh, here I come. I'll come and save you. And okay, that's not working. Here I go. And here I broke through. Here I come, princess. I'm
No,
coming.
you shall not get her. Stop. I'll get you. Come on, man. Let's get him. Get him. Get him. Destroy him.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
No, you shall
no.
not. You stay here.
Stop it.
Oh, no.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you,
No.
No, you shall be perished, you.
Oh, please stop it. No. Please, I beg you.
Goodbye.
No.
Have a nice drop. And never drop back in ever again.
Stop it. Stop being about. No.
Goodbye.
I hope I can't swim. Oh, I can't swim.